Before we dive in, let's quickly understand Mosaic AI. Mosaic AI is a platform from Databricks that helps you to build, train, and deploy AI models using your own data all in one place. This image shows how a complete AI system works using Mosaic AI. On the left, we start with dog images. This is our data. These images are stored and used to train the model. In the middle, the AI model is trained using machine learning and deep learning. It learns patterns like ears, fur, and shape to understand different dog breeds. Next, the trained model is deployed as an API. This means it can be used in real applications. On the right side, a user uploads a dog image, the system processes it and predicts the breed. For example, Husky. So the entire flow shows data, training, deployment, prediction. And that's how Mosaic AI turns data into real world AI applications.